Now in corona pandemic situation in all over the world, this is very uncertain condition in the world. Some people are so hungry, and all animals also, birds, doggies, any animals. And I'm happy to see all birds to eat some fruits, biscuits, and oats. Really very interesting and unimaginable. The corona pandemic situation is very uncertain. I don't know what will happen to us. Oh my god. All birds are so hungry. This is a roadside condition. It's very unimaginable. And all birds are looking so hungry and non-stop eating. Really, it's so sad. Please, I request to all, some fruits, any fruits, keep outside your home or rooftop for birds. It's very good practice, I think, and it's really unimaginable and compliance to you. Not only birds, there is some doggies is so hungry and looking so depressed and without any food, looking so weak. Oh my god. Thanks God. Please God, pray for us and save all animals. Please. God bless all animals and God bless all the peoples in all over the world. Only God knows what will happen to us. Please God, save us and protect us from coronavirus. But now I'm happy to see to all birds. Thank you so much.